In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact form on card.co. A simple contact form lets visitors reach you without exposing your email address, and it keeps messages organized. Here's how to add one to an existing card site quickly and confidently. First, head over to card.co and sign in. From your dashboard, open the site where you want the form to live so you're working inside the visual editor. You'll see your page on the canvas and a panel with element controls. Next, add a new element. Click Add to open the element picker, then choose Form. Carded drops a basic form onto the page. With the form selected, look over to the Settings panel. This is where you control exactly how the form behaves. Under Type, change the setting to Contact. This tells Card to treat the form as a standard contact form, typically including fields like name, email, and message, and to prepare the submission to be sent to your configured destination. If you already use Card's built-in handling, you're all set on the back end. If your plan or setup differs, the options you see may vary, but the contact type is still the right choice for a straightforward inquiry form. Now decide what happens after someone submits. In the confirmation section, you can display a custom message right on the page or redirect the visitor to a specific URL. Use the display message if you want quick reassurance like "Thanks, your message has been sent, we'll reply soon." Keep it concise, friendly, and clear. Choose a redirect if you'd rather send people to a dedicated thank you page, a calendar booking link, or another resource. Paste the destination link in the redirect field and make sure it's correct, including HTTPS. Before you wrap up, skim the form text and button labels so they match your site's tone, and check that the form is placed where visitors expect to find it, such as near your contact section or footer. Short forms convert better, so avoid unnecessary fields unless they're essential. If you notice long labels or placeholder text, keep them short and readable, and make sure the submit button stands out. Clear error messages help visitors fix mistakes fast, so use plain language. A quick scan on mobile to confirm spacing and readability goes a long way. When everything looks good, click Done to save the form settings and return to the editor. That's it. You've added a clean, functional contact form to your card site. Ready to capture inquiries and keep communication simple.